donner,
means to give. In this video, we will learn how to say the verb to give in the past tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns. Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi. Now, we know that to conjugate the verb in past tense, we need to know the auxiliary verb and past participle of this verb. For conjugating this verb in past tense, we use the auxiliary verb
avoir,
and the past participle of the main verb, which is
donner.
Now, we have the auxiliary verb and the past participle. Let's see how we use this to conjugate the verb in past tense. I gave,
J'ai donné,
you gave, informal way,
tu as donné,
he gave, masculine,
il a donné,
she gave, feminine,
elle a donné,
we gave, informal way,
on a donné,
we gave, formal way,
nous avons donné,
you gave, formal way,
vous avez donné,
they gave, group of males or mixed people,
ils ont donné,
they gave, group of only females,
elles ont donné.
Now that we've conjugated the verb in the past tense, let's explore some examples. I gave a gift.
J'ai donné un cadeau. J'ai donné un cadeau.
You gave your book.
Tu as donné ton livre. Tu as donné ton livre.
He gave a flower.
Il a donné une fleur. Il a donné une fleur.
She gave a gift.
Elle a donné un cadeau. Elle a donné un cadeau.
We gave a quick response.
On a donné une réponse rapide. On a donné une réponse rapide.
We gave some money.
Nous avons donné de l'argent. Nous avons donné de l'argent.
You gave advice.
Vous avez donné un conseil. Vous avez donné un conseil.
They gave chocolates.
Ils ont donné des chocolats. Ils ont donné des chocolats.
They gave their agreement.
Elles ont donné leur accord. Elles ont donné leur accord.
Let's repeat the conjugation one more time.
J'ai donné. Tu as donné. Il a donné. Elle a donné. On a donné. Nous avons donné. Vous avez donné. Ils ont donné. Elles ont donné.
I have summarized the verb in small table for you. We will learn some more verbs in coming videos. Till then, please keep practicing. Goodbye for now and see you in next video. Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.